Hi, it's Brian speaking. We are in the headquarters of Megarevo. We're going to introduce one of the best products in the world.
Hello, I'm Product Engineer Doris, and today in this video we will introduce several applications of our MPS hybrid inverter to you.
Doris, this MPS model, we have been installed more than thousands of units in the African continents, and as well as in the Southeast of Asia and Pacific countries. So what is the advantage of this model?
Solar energy is stored directly as DC power, avoiding multiple power conversion. Especially beneficial during daytime when solar energy is excessive, which also reduces the energy loss of charging and discharging process.
What do you mean? The DC coupling is more reliable or more stable?
Higher efficiency.
High efficiency?
Yes.
Okay.
MPS includes grid diesel generator, load, and battery and PV interfaces, which improves the system efficiency and reduce the installation costs. It also enhances the power use in weak grid regions and no grid regions, bring great convenience to local residents.
Yes. And one of the best performance of this model is that the function of off-grid and on-grid switching function is very stable. It's proven to be reliable in many countries. As I know, this is one of the advantages of this model.
The on-grid and off-grid switch of the MPS is on the grid side. By using the resistor, the switch time can be less than 20 milliseconds.
Comparing to our competitors, what else we have?
The built-in isolation transformer isolates the two circuit part and transforming voltage, which makes the whole renewable energy system more reliable and safety.
The load capability is more very powerful comparing to our competitors. You know, in many countries, there are lots of motor loads and inductive loads. Yeah. So the MPS model can handle this kind of tough load very easily. The load tolerance of the MPS is pretty strong. This is one of the biggest advantages. That's why after installing thousands of units in many countries, we have been recognized as yes, MPS is one of the best model in a business and state of the design, the top brand in more than 20 countries, I think. Right? Great.
The MPS hybrid inverter series comes in multiple power options: 13, 15, 100, 115, 215, and 500 kilowatt. The 13 kilowatt to 115 kilowatt models are all-in-one units, while the 215 kilowatt and 500 kilowatt models use a split design. The MPS 0500 consists of two DC cabinets equipped with MPPT modules and an integrated inverter AC cabinet. The MPS uses the forced air cooling system. The mesh on the front door of the cabinet is for air intake, and the mesh in the back is for exhaust. Please make sure not to block them. There's an human machine interface touchscreen on the cabinet. Once powered on, it shows real-time system data, and you can use it to adjust the settings and operation modes. Both the DC and AC cabinets use the same key to open the doors. Each DC cabinet can be equipped with 5 MPPT modules with a rated power of 75 kW. The wiring ports for the split-type unit are located at the top right corner of the DC cabinet. When using the system, ensure good communication between the three cabinets by connecting both the power cables and communication cables. For detailed wiring instructions, please refer to the user manual. Each MPPT module provides an upper computer communication interface, LED indicators to show the module's operating status. In case of emergency, the switch can be used to forcibly shut down the module. The modules use the drawer-type plug-in installation design, which requires no additional wiring during use. Do not insert or remove modules while they are operating. Hot swapping may damage the modules. During transportation and use, ensure the modules fixing bolts are properly installed to prevent damage caused by dropping. Each slot corresponds to a different photovoltaic input circuit breaker. You can refer to the silk screen diagram to identify which switch corresponds to each slot. DC isolation switch. The output from all MPPT modules aggregate to the switch and deliver to the DC bus. Moving your attention to the AC cabinet. The factory test report of the machine and attachment are placed in this rank, while the communication cables and power cables of the split machine are hung on this rank. The communication board is located at the upper left of the machine. Both split unit communication and parallel unit communication are implemented through this board. Power switches and power fuses. KB1, fan power supply. KB2, AC contactor power supply. KB3, PCB auxiliary power supply. DC surge protector and AC surge protector. If the indicator window changes from green to red, the surge protector needs to be replaced. Load circuit breaker. Grid circuit breaker. DC load switch. When a device malfunction occurs, you can turn on the maintenance bypass switch to allow the grid to supply power directly to the load. The cabinet door is equipped with an embedded helmet machine interface screen. The black filter cotton at the air inlet needs to be cleaned and dried regularly. A switch extension handle helps you. The power wiring terminals are located behind the bottom panel of the machine. Prepare a screwdriver to remove the panel. After wiring is complete, please reattach and secure the panel. The PV input interface and the DC cabinet output interface. Please refer to the user manual for recommended cable sizes. The yellow area is for DC battery input interface and the photovoltaic input interface. The right side area contains the AC wiring interface. Please refer to the user manual for recommended cable sizes. The bottom left corner of the cabinet provides an external communication interface for the device. For details, please refer to the user manual. Okay, dear everyone, thank you for watching, and that's all for this video. More information about Megarevo, please go to megarevo.com. See you!